Ulanzi TT88 is a versatile phone tripod with MagSafe support, designed for bloggers, streamers, and mobile photographers. The MagSafe magnetic mount allows instant attachment of an iPhone, securely holding the device without clamps or extra adjustments. Its compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for travel, outdoor shooting, and home use. Ulanzi TT88 easily transforms from a tabletop tripod into a handheld grip, making it ideal for vlogging and vertical videos. The adjustable tilt angle helps you find the perfect shooting perspective for photos, reels, shorts, or video calls. The sturdy construction ensures excellent stability even during active recording. It's a great tool for creating high-quality content, online lessons, live streams, and everyday videos without additional accessories.